Please read the disclaimer. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, money makers. The crypto market and actually the stock market too, everything is selling off. There's a reason for it. I don't really understand the reason. I understand it. I just don't understand the mass fear that we're experiencing right now. We'll talk about what's happening there. We'll talk about a OG whale that just sold some Bitcoin. Maybe that put pressure on things, but still, it's not. You wouldn't think that that would cause the reaction that we saw today. It started out good, things were looking okay, and then we got some data that came out that freaked everything out. XRP dropped under $2. Bitcoin dropped under 88,000, the lowest it has been. I'll tell you what I am doing, what my opinion is right now on the market, how I see things. Of course, always do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All I ask from you, even though we're under $2 and crypto's falling, beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. Smishity smash that like a button and let's get into it. So currently XRP is sitting at $1.98. Not where, people want right XRP to be, but this is the current situation of the market. The market is selling off. It's not just XRP. You can see here Bitcoin is down 5% as well. Ethereum is down 6%. Sol, interesting, is holding at 133, but assets are coming down. Interestingly, not crazy double-digit movements. There are some, right, but not across the board. So most assets are moving 4 or 5%. The total crypto market is down minus 4.89%. So there's a sell-off, but one could say that it's okay. Like it's not 20, 30% drop-off. The NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are moving the same. So if you look, right, this was the total crypto market, right? It started off good. Look at Bitcoin, but we were at 91,000, 92,000 in the morning. Stock market started, things were looking good. We even had up, and then boom, right here on this, so we got the sell signal on the 1348 EMA, and everything just came down. The NASDAQ, the S&P 500, Bitcoin, XRP, everything took a very nice dip there. And so what is the reason? Well, it seems that this is the logical reason for this happening, right? So why are the markets crashing? I'll tell you what I'm doing. You know what? Before we talk about why it's crashing, I want to tell you what I am doing right now. So I decided to open up two positions right now on XRP and Bitcoin. Going long, you can see this is with our partner BYDFI. We'll get to them in just a second. But you can see I'm a little bit down on the position so far. I opened up here when I thought we might be seeing a bottom, right? It has come back down a little bit. This is more of a long-term play. It's low leverage, as you can see. And so when I can use this as a potential play to use my assets and have low leverage so I can hold it for a longer time and not be manipulated by the ups and downs of the market short term. I'll put some stop losses in. I opened this just a few minutes ago. I'll put some stop losses in, for if it goes bananas, but this is what I'm doing right now. So I open these positions. Again, maybe I'll dollar cost average if the market drops a little bit more. Now, you can sign up using my link in the description down below. They are an affiliate of ours. So you sign up here, email, set up all your data. And if you deposit over 5K, you get the bonuses even before you get the bonuses. But over that amount, You can join the special Telegram group for whales. Our regular Telegram group, by the way, is open for everybody. It's my birthday soon. I think I might be doing something special for my birthday, so watch out for that. But you can get to the BYDFI link here in my website. So you go to the website, link is in the description down below. You scroll down here, you press on BYDFI, and you can sign up and get those amazing bonuses. So link is in description down below. Please, please, please trade responsibly. Again, I will get a commission, so thank you for that. So again, the markets continue to take a dip here, right? They continue to dip down. Oy, oy, oy. But again, this is short-term movements. We're not that far off the all-time high for the S&P 500. Something that we need to take into consideration is there could be a crossover there. If we look at the VIX, it started off in the morning actually in the red and now is up to 25. Again, remember, anything under 20 is pretty bullish. Anything over 20 is considered bearish. And so as the more it gets away from 20, the more and more bearish. Now, why is this happening? Why is this happening? Again, these are just my opinions and the opinions of that I'm bringing to you. Again, always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. This is just how I am seeing the market. And actually, Kobesi is seeing this similar to what I'm thinking here. So why are the markets crashing? Logical explanation, there's quite literally only one headline that could even be partially blamed for such sudden market crash. At 11:20, the U.S. Labor Department said the November and October employment situation will be released on December 16th. By this point, the S&P 500 was already down 70 points from the high. However, in 40 minutes after the announcement, it went down another 120 points. We now know the Fed is effectively entering another interest rate decision with an economic data blackout. Market do not like information asymmetry. But is this really enough to erase nearly $2 trillion in market cap in a matter of minutes? This was just a switch that shifted sentiment. The reality is investors are edge in the market. When a sudden decline begins, investors rush to the exit because the bubble is popping. This works in the opposite direction as well. When stocks surge, the rally accelerates quickly as capital rotates back into AI stocks, becoming AI is the next big thing, right? That's what we see. So the reality is that any headline right now can move trillions of dollars in the market in a matter of minutes for the sole reason sentiment is more polarizing than ever. Now, this is an interesting situation. We also got, there was the job report also came out this morning. I forgot to bring that up, but there was also a job report data that came out today. So maybe that is what brought the market down. Also, the crypto market, of course, is dropped 1.3 trillion in 45 days. Big movement here. But this is happened in the crypto market before. We've seen pullbacks like this. Remember, XRP in the months after December, right? We went all the way to the top here and it dropped 52% in the next 78 days. If we go to the top here, right, we have dropped 46% in the 130 days after. So actually it's better than what we saw then, but still, we thought again that the banana zone would already be here, and I understand why it creates, uncertainty. It creates fear. It creates, people not knowing where the market potentially go from here. So there's a lot of things that are riding on this, and it will be very interesting to see what happens. We did have an OG whale that sold 1.3 billion in Bitcoin, and someone that held since 2011. Listen, if you wanna, you have to decide what you want to do. Are you long-term investing? Are you short-term investing? Short-term, there can be lots of volatility. Long-term, I am still very bullish on the market. Again, this is just how I am looking at the markets. I see everything that the president is doing, all the changes, I just read an article today about how so many new users are coming in, not retail, but companies and banks and how they're going to be using crypto. So the fact is that I can't be bearish on the crypto market long term right now. Short term, yes, can always be ups and downs. We talked about how last time the gap got filled, it continued to be volatile, and we have the addition of the whole market, stocks and crypto being volatile. And so you can see here, we go to Yahoo and we just refresh it there, reset. You can see split verdict job reports muddies the Fed next move. Stocks rally fizzled as Nvidia tech turned sharply lower. So the day started out good. And interesting, the probability shifted from 78% to 66%. So I don't know. It's kind of confusing. I get what's happening. I get why it's happening. I understand why there's some freakouts. But again, long term, I'm staying my course. I'm doing the same thing that I've always doing. Short term, I try to play for momentum. Long term, I have my plan in place. I have my positions in place, my spot positions. And listen, we got another XRP ETF that Bitwise launched today. There are going to be more and more ETFs, and it's a new day, it's a new era for the crypto market. So I remember when XRP was at 50 cents. I remember when Bitcoin was at 15,000. I remember when Bitcoin was at 3,000. And so, this is not something that is freaking me out too much, but I'm always cautious. I'm always with my ears open. I'm always with my eyes open to the ground to hear anything. And I will, of course, update you on all the things that are happening. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, now is the time to do so you don't miss out on any updates that come out, any news that come out. You can, of course, join the Telegram group. It's free and open to everybody. And if you are interested in signing up to BYDFI, link is in the description down below. Again, you go to my website, you scroll down BYDFI, and then you sign up here. And then if you are in this group, you can join the special whale Telegram group, and there's the rules are in the free open Telegram group. I know it's a little bit confusing, but I think that people that are tech savvy enough to sign up are tech savvy enough to listen back to the video and see how to do it. If not, let me know and I'll put out a explainer. Okay. Drop a comment, 8 for infinity and beyond. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Remember, I'll never contact you on social media asking you to sign up to anything or send me anything. Those are imposters. I will not DM you. I'm not following you. Please be careful, okay? I'll see you later.